What's the meaning of bird feeder? Bird feeder. Bird feeder.
Bird feeder. Bird feeder. A bird feeder is a device that is used to attract wild birds to a specific location, typically a backyard or garden. The feeder is filled with bird seed, suet, or other food sources that appeal to a variety of bird species. Bird feeders can be simple or elaborate, and come in a range of designs to suit any style or budget. By providing birds with a reliable source of food, bird feeders help to support local bird populations and create opportunities for bird watching and photography. They are also a fun and educational way to connect with nature and learn more about the habitat and behavior of different bird species.